Meditation is a group of mental training techniques. You can use meditation to improve mental health and capacities, and also to help improve physical health. Some of these techniques are very simple, so you can learn them from a book or an article. Others require guidance from a qualified meditation teacher. Most techniques called meditation include these components. 1. You sit or lie in a relaxed position. 2. You breathe regularly. You breathe in deep enough to get enough oxygen. When you breathe out, you relax your muscles so that your lungs are well emptied, but without straining. 3. You stop thinking about everyday problems and matters. 4. You concentrate your thoughts upon some sound, some words you repeat, some image, some abstract concept, or some feeling. Your whole attention should be pointed at the object you have chosen to concentrate upon. 5. If some foreign thoughts creep in, you just stop this foreign thought and go back to the object of meditation. The different meditation techniques differ according to the degree of concentration, and how foreign thoughts are handled. By some techniques, the objective is to concentrate so intensely that no foreign thoughts occur at all. In other techniques, the concentration is more relaxed so that foreign thoughts easily pop up. When these foreign thoughts are discovered, one stops these and goes back to the pure meditation in a relaxed manner. Thoughts coming up will often be about things you have forgotten or suppressed, and allow you to rediscover hidden memory material. This rediscovery will have a psychotherapeutic effect. Meditation has the following effects. 1. Meditation will give you rest and recreation. 2. You learn to relax. 3. You learn to concentrate better on problem solving. 4. Meditation often has a good effect on blood pressure. 5. Meditation has beneficial effects on inner body processes, like circulation, respiration, and digestion. 6. Regular meditation will have a psychotherapeutic effect. 7. Regular meditation will facilitate the immune system. 8. Meditation is usually pleasant. As any kind of training, meditation may be exaggerated so that you get tired and worn out. Therefore, you should not meditate so long or so concentrated that you feel tired or mentally emptied. Meditation may sometimes give problems for people suffering from mental diseases, epilepsy, serious heart problems, or neurological diseases. On the other hand, meditation may be of help in the treatment of these and other conditions. People suffering from such conditions should check out what effects the different kinds of meditation have on their own kind of health problems, before beginning to practice meditation, and be cautious if they choose to begin to meditate. It may be wise to learn meditation from an experienced teacher, psychologist, or health worker that uses meditation as a treatment module for the actual disease. If you liked this video, I think you will also like these two, so choose which one you want to see next. But before that, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to know when we post new videos here on Healthy Mind Healthy Body.